baby, guess what's good, what popping? It's your guest Selin. Today I'm coming up to you with this kind of summerish makeup look, and I'm loving the way the look turned out. To new eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution to achieve this eye look. I did my face on camera, I did my eye on camera, my eyebrow. Link is going to be down below in case you're curious, you're interested. Without ado, how mama taught you. Do what makes you happy. Read your Bible, drink a lot of water, and mind your business as much as you can. Stay pretty and be blessed. Take a child. Mwah. I'm feeling this look, guys, like nobody. Peace. Guess what's good, what's popping? So back with another video. I'm going to be testing new palettes in this video. Okay, this palette quite some minutes ago, not long ago, is the Revolution Ultimate Nude Light Eyeshadow Palette. Perfect for nude vibe. If you're a nude vibe, you don't like too much pop of color, it's going to be perfect for you. And it's super travel friendly. You can easily put it into your bag, into your purse, and you're good to go. If you want to intensify the look, you can use another palette to back it up. What I mean by that, you can use another darker color to intensify your other crease. I decide to stick with this palette. This is the only palette I'm going to be using today. So here we go, guys. This is very cute. So, but first, we need to do our skin. Guys, I've been obsessed. When I mean obsessed, understatement is obsession, okay? And wine for this original skin. Perfecting cooling, okay? Perfecting cooling. I'm going to be taking this Olay Skin Truths, okay, serum. This one right here, Olay Skin Truth Serum. The back of my hand. Enough, we are good with that. I'm going to apply it on my cheekbone and on my T-zone. That is the only area I need it. I love to use this product a lot, especially when I feel that my skin is a little bit dry. Not too dry, because the moisturizer cream I use, it's to hold back the oil, okay? And I love to use this also, especially in summer. And I also use it in winter, but not that much. Perfecting cooling. The only thing I don't like about this, I don't just like when I press it the way it comes out. I don't like it. You're gonna look beautiful. And a little bit goes a long way. At the beginning I was thinking, oh, maybe I'm going to apply so much, but I noticed a little bit goes a long way, okay? Okay, it's giving. She's really giving. She's so good. And she's sexy. Foundation, guys, I'm going to be using one foundation. I'm going to be taking the Infallible Pro Glow Radiance Finish, okay, this one right here. 212. It's okay. This foundation is perfect right now for my skin complexion because I'm more darker. My face is more darker now. One is kidding me. She's doing the most with my skin, but in complain because I can change the weather to blend in the foundation because it's a water foundation. I don't need to use a brush because a brush is just going to take the product away from my skin. So yeah, at the moment we are not going for full coverage because the weather is hot enough, but we are still going to look good with light foundation. All right, before I never like light coverage, but I'm beginning to love it. And going to be taking the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade Deep Cool 300. Onto my face, I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetic brush right here in number 1. If you want, you can go ahead. I'm loving my face like this, but I need to set it. Pro Concealer, and I'm going to be using the shade Warm Honey to highlight, and I'm going to be using Beautiful Bronze to contour. Sorry guys, I didn't mention the brush I'm using to contour. It's from 6 Plus. 6 Plus. This one right here. Here. First, I'm just going to use it to blend in this product on my skin before I go in with the beauty blender. I look funny right now, but don't worry. This is the process, honey. This beauty blender, wish me luck. I'm going to be using the other side because this side is more messier than this side. This side is a little bit messy-ful. She's messy-ful to me, but I'm going to use the back to blend my forehead. Okay. This paint, this one right here. A setting powder. Girl Queen Ebony Bronze in the shade Ebony. I'm just going to use that to bronze my face. To blush my cheeks, I'm going to be taking this Melanie blush and it's called Fantastico in number 7. I'm going to be taking this blush brush. Where is she from? She's from Just Stop Looks Face Definer. So yeah, I can't remember the last time I used this blush. See how I'm tapping. So I'm still going to go ahead once again and use my face powder brush just to dust the excess powder away without nothing on the brush. Ahead and do my eyebrow. I will be right back, guys. Don't go anywhere. You guys have seen me a million times do my eyebrow. Today I'm going to be using this Ellie Girl, the one I used to highlight, prime my eye, to serve as an eyeshadow base. So to blend it out, I'm going to be taking the Louvia brush right here, this one. This brush is from Magnificence. The name has already wiped out, but I know it's from Magnificence. It's a round, small, fluffy brush. Kind of light purple, super light. Before I told you, but I need to dust the excess away. I'm going to start right here and I'm going to drag it into my inner corner. So that is going to be our transition color. Ready? I love it. I love the palette as well. It's so well blendable. It's really showing up, but it has a huge fallout, which I'm not mad. I don't mind. The most important thing that is popping up on my eye. We have 4 shimmer shade and we have 5 matte shade inside this palette, and which is pretty handsome. And I love the fact that it has a transition color, and also I have a color to apply on my brow bone. I'm going to wipe it a little bit with a wiper, and I'm going to go in with this beautiful, the darkest shade inside this palette, or this kit, call it kit, and it has a huge fallout. But wow, it's a beautiful color. It's beautiful. We don't really have any guideline. The most important thing is well blended. Okay, apply, just blend, drag it to wherever I want to drag it to. And to cut my crease, guys, I'm going to be taking this Malvin flat synthetic brush, it like this, and then kind of mat it at the back of my hand before I go in and apply it. You can use your hand, but I just decided to use a brush. This one right here, look smoky shader, okay? This two color. So I'm going to go in with this matte shade right here. Nudie beige color, that is going to be my brow bone highlight. You see that darker shade right here? I'm just going to buff that under my eye. For our eyeliner brush, so right now I'm going to be lining with e.l.f. liquid liner. Boom! So guys, for mascara I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal X Curl before I go in with the false lashes. In this e.l.f. illuminating setting spray. So guys, for highlights I'm going to be taking this Milani Candle Lights highlighter, this one right here, and I'm taking this Smudgebox, no, Smudgebox, sorry guys, Smudgebox. Taking this Maybelline lip liner in copper brown, I'm just going to line my lips. So guys, for my lip I'm going to be taking this Catrice Matte Lover lipstick, this one right here. Unexpected. Yeah guys, that is pretty much it, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, that's it for this look. Yes, come through.